What's up? I'm at my condo in Phuket, Thailand here. I paid $25 a night for the place. Check out this pool back here and stick around till the end of this video so I can show you how to get something like this for less than $400 per month. So we're actually out in the parking lot right now. You can see it's a connection of several buildings all kind of wrapped around each other. Outdoor and indoor parking for motorbikes. Buildings have different establishments like a mini market. Restaurant behind this one. A small gym with some machines and free weights and medicine balls, things like that. A fruit and smoothie stand. Smoothies starting at $45, and they usually have coconuts back there too to get a fresh one. Now every one of these buildings also has its own pool, and they're all really pretty, surrounded by some tropical gardens. The water's nice and cool, and they clean it every day, which is really nice. It's also nice that there's just lots of places to sit and relax by the pool too, and they just have, some modest regulations which help keep the community nice. On the outside of the elevator, it says you can get room service from that one restaurant that's downstairs. And they do have some pretty nice elevators to get up and down here because it goes up to the 8th floor. But I also found out that you don't want to use these while storms are going on because they're attached to the electricity, which can go out. I did get stuck for a moment, but we were okay. Nice quiet hallways come through here, usually. And the entry to the door is a keyless entry to use a card. Okay, so here's the place itself. You can see a nice full-size kitchen. Got everything you would need to cook with over here. There's also pots and pans, plenty of them down underneath. It came with a sponge and soap as well, which was nice. Plenty of cabinet space. We got cups and bowls and plates and things like that. We got a microwave and a juicer up there as well. And it also came with some bug killer and trash bags and laundry detergent, which were some nice perks. Nice little place to relax right here with air conditioning, artwork, a place to sit down. We got 3 of those stools, as well as a little couch here that folds out into a little single bed. TV with a desk that can roll around as well. You can see my luggage in the back there, but here we have a standing fan, which is nice, as well as a washing machine. Very nice perk to have that while traveling. Some more artwork in the corner, always appreciated. Here we have the bedroom itself. It's a nice big bed, pretty soft too. It's got its own air conditioner in there. Some more of the artwork that we saw in the other room, as well as a large cabinet that can actually be locked on that door and that door right there. And there's actually another internal safe on the inside of that. So very secure feeling here. Don't mind how dirty the bathroom is. That's totally our fault, but pretty simple bathroom over here. Got a water heater up here, works really well. Got the rain style shower head as well as another rain style shower head that comes off as an attachment as well. And then I know us Americans aren't used to bidets, but we're definitely not used to bidets like this. Watch this thing, it's like a power washer. I swear that could strip paint. Be careful with this thing. Got big bay windows right here, sliding glass coming out of the bedroom, as well as a matching window in the living room. Both have access to the balcony. Both lock with a little mechanism right here. That's nice. We've got a little table with 2 places to sit on that side. Got a little view of the tree and the pool here. And on the other side, we got a nice mountain that gives us some nice, cricket sounds and nice views of birds. Usually there's some pigs running around down there too. And the rest of the porch is just a place to hang your laundry and keep your mop and things like that. And lastly, I would just remind you that this is in Rawai, the southernmost part of Phuket. It's not as budget friendly as other parts of Phuket, but it does have the nicest beaches, and I think it's one of the best areas to stay in long term as well. If you get the chance, definitely check out Ya Nui. Ya Nui is probably one of the most beautiful. It's got some really awesome rock formations coming right out of the beach, some really interesting wave patterns as well. Really nice relaxing place, usually pretty quiet. Nai Harn Beach is probably my favorite. It looks like a great place for early beginner surfboarders. It's a nice place to swim, more family friendly with really nice sand as well. And for the bigger surfers, that's where you can hit up Kata Noi, and even Karon Beach for some of the biggest waves in Phuket. Rawai you can skip unless you're just looking for a boat ride to another island. And lastly, I told you how you were going to be able to get this place for just $400 a month or less, and that's going to be largely based on timing and how long you actually want to rent it for. That's because the way that the renting here in Phuket goes on a monthly basis, or like a 3-month basis, or a 6-month basis, or a yearly basis, and the longer you rent, the cheaper it's going to be for you. So right now, if you come and try to book this place, and you try to get a place just like this one in October, which is the start of high season for Phuket, you can look at paying $25,000 baht per month. And at the same time, you can pay in 3-month installments to get it for just 20,000 baht per month. That's roughly $562 right now. But when I was here a few weeks ago, they had to sign up for different prices before the actual high season started. And if you paid in the 3-month or the 6-month installments, you could actually get it for just 15,000 baht per month. And if you paid in a full year installment, you could get it for 160,000 baht for the whole year. That's roughly 13,333 baht per month. And no matter how you slice it, that's well less than 400 USD every month for an entire year to rent out a condo just like this one.